Welcome back to the Mid-Year Mitch YouTube channel. Did you know that I revamped my website? Let's take a look at it and talk about the products that we have on there. And now it's easier than ever to get to. You can get to it from my YouTube channel. There will be always a link above you can click on, or I will tag products down below that you can click on to take you to my website. So let's dive into some of the products that we have on the site. So if you head over to my YouTube channel, you can see right on the front page, right here, there is a link to the website. But also, say you click on one of my last videos, you pull that up, and you can come down here. You can come to the More tab. Down in the description, you can see I have 2 products shown. Also at the beginning, and if you hit the info button up top, it'll bring you down to my website, as well as other videos that I tagged and music I've used. So if we just go here, let's say to the windshield spacers, that'll take you to the set of windshield spacers that I talked about in the video. And if you click the Mid-Year Mitch symbol at the top, it'll take you home. Here I have my reproduction parts. So we have the C1, C2, C2 fiberglass, we have some C2 birdcage pieces, C3 grills, and then we have some C5 stuff. And then if you scroll down a little further, you can see I have my training classes, which one will be offered very soon, and Mid-Year Mitch tools. You can click on individual ones, or you can come to the top. There's other links here of important things, but if you go to Mid-Year Mitch merch, you can scroll through all the parts that we have. We have some stickers, we have some little birdcage things. I made some Christmas ornament designs, more stickers, shirts, and hats. So there's all kinds of stuff on here. Head over to the website, check it out. There's a good bit of stuff on here, and you can just kind of scroll through the different menus, see what we have. We'll have more birdcage pieces coming soon. We have C1 doorposts, C2 vent windows, console, wiper grills. Right now I only have a 67 Stinger hood on here, but we will have more parts on here coming very soon. If you want to show your support for the channel and buy some cool Mid-Year Mitch products, head over to the website. You have seen me talk about these windshield spacers that I offer in 2 different combinations. The green ones, which are based off of the Kent Moore tooling that they had at Chevrolet dealerships, and then I made some modifications, which is why there's 3 different colors, and I changed the thickness of these so you can use these as gauge blocks to dial your windshield opening in whenever you're changing different corners of your windshield. I also make little 3D printed bird cages that will be available in coupe and convertible in both black and green. I just have to get more green to make the coupe ones. But if you're replacing parts of your windshield frame, you can put these spacers around the perimeter to set your glass in place. You can remove your pillar once you know your size, put your new pillar in, put the right blocks in the right spot, and then you can weld your windshield in. You'll be confident that everything fits. So those are available. I also came out with these little guys, which will be good desk toppers, whatever you really want to do with them. But they could also be Christmas ornaments. So we have Mid-Year Mitch based on like the Chevy V, the cross flag script. Mid-Year Mitch in 4 different colors. You can buy them individually or as a whole set, put them on your Christmas tree, and I will for sure have these on my Christmas tree. Last but not least, I was playing around on the 3D printer and I made some silhouettes. So we have a C1 Corvette 61, or actually it's 62 because it's got a rocker. And then we have a 65 and 66 Roadster. I'm going to have more of these available. These are just little cheap things you could hang on your wall. I want to have all the generations, and I want to have them all stacked on the wall. So we have a little bit of a collection of Corvettes. I also found a little hot rod one. So if you want to get any of these products to show your support or get a gift for Christmas, head over to shopmidyearmitch.com. Also available on the website, we have the Mid-Year Mitch green shirts, we have a bunch of Overkill shirts, and we have hats as well. So head over and get some of those. And if you're interested, we have a bunch of beautiful Vetmasters parts. So I really appreciate the support for you guys buying these parts and t-shirts and stuff like that. I'm going to try to continue to grow the parts business, get more birdcage stuff in here, so that way it's all inclusive. You can buy fiberglass, birdcage parts, merchandise, and some tools through me. So that's the goal long term. We're going to have some more training classes to try to get you guys up to speed so you can do this stuff. You can buy the parts from me, you can also get the knowledge from me, you can do it on your own. I also like to welcome all the people that have joined from the last video. We've had a couple hundred subscribers join, which was really awesome from that video, so I really appreciate the support. And if you order now, you can still get it by Christmas. You know, I mean, you may want to hang some Christmas Corvette parts from your Christmas tree. I don't know what you guys want to do, but I really appreciate the support. Hopefully you guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. And I got a lot of work to do, so I'll catch you guys later.